What?
And listen, I'm gonna tell you, all the goddamn truth.
I don't know what you're talking about, man. What are you doing?
I go with
They just want you to leave, dude.
Dude.
They just want you to go.
Dude.
What's your name, man?
Oh.
What's your name?
Ask you a question.
Sure.
Alright, so, alright, you see that. That's good, right?
Huh? I can't hear what you're saying. You're talking too low, man. Can you just go?
Nah, I thought you were gonna talk about that. I ain't seen about a big bitch right here. Like, I ain't never seen no.
All I'm asking is that you leave, okay? The store doesn't, the gas station doesn't want you sitting here.
Real.
All you have to do is go.
Real. You never want rap, right?
Huh?
You never want rap. But you don't eat.
Why would you want to do that? I'm being completely cool with you, bro.
My dope.
Huh?
My dope.
Okay, are you gonna leave or no? I'm giving you the opportunity to leave. The store does not want you here. You are trespassed from the property. Okay, if you don't leave, you will go to jail. Do you want to ride to the hospital? Okay. So then you have two options. You walk away.
Hold up. Black Star Bank.
Say again?
603 Village Boulevard, 602.
You love me?
Village Boulevard.
Okay, thanks. You have two options. You walk away or you go to jail. Do you understand that? Yo! Walk away. Okay, what did you take today? You're clearly under the influence of something. Is it drugs or is it alcohol?
Yeah, I'm chilling, right?
Huh?
I'm chilling, right?
You're chilling?
Yeah.
Okay, what did you take today?
Man, you better have my feelings.
What?
You hurt my feelings.
How'd that hurt your feelings? Where do you live?
Well, I will go to this side, but at the same time, I think I should matter. You think that bitch real?
The table? Sure.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's real.
I promise you, I'll smack a nigga's head.
No one's being a tough guy.
I promise you.
Bro, why are you crying?
So I want to make you want to feel me.
Huh?
I want to make you feel me.
You want to make me feel you?
Yeah.
Okay, I don't know what that means. Alright, you have until my partner gets here to get up and walk away, or otherwise you're going to jail. I gave you several opportunities to leave.
Can I see you what it is?
The store wants you to leave. Okay, I told you this several times. This is now the fourth time that I am telling you. You are trespassed from the property. As of right now, you are remaining on property after I am giving you a warning, which means I am asking you to leave. You have until my partner gets here, or otherwise, there's not going to be any more second chances. Cuffs are coming on and you're going to jail.
Of course.
So you're going to stay here? Keep talking. I keep wasting time until my partner gets here. You have an opportunity to walk away or else you're going to jail. It's simple. Stand up, walk away. Walk away. Leave. Go. Leave. I don't care what you think, dude. Leave. Now. Go. Are you going to tell me your name or not? I'm guessing it's Mikey, maybe, based on your tattoo on your hands. You got all the time in the world, bro. I gave you a chance. Place your hands together, like you're praying. Like you're praying. There you go. Stand up, man. Stand up. Stand up this way. Spin your body this way. And stand up. Stand up. Yeah, bro, he's refusing to leave. Let's go, bro. Oh. Hang on. I can just hold it. I'll bring my car. Oh, you can't walk.
Thank you, brother.
I'm gonna assume he got out of JFK.
Sit up real quick, man. I want you to not to be able to breathe like that, man. There you go.
I don't know his name, nothing.
Nothing?
Nada. Are we able to look up people by their tattoos? I can't remember.
He doesn't have a band or nothing?
My other option was to take him to JFK. He needs medical clearance anyways. Hope that I can find a address for him, so I could just drop him off at JFK with NTA and have a good day.
You can do that, but is he gonna give him their name?
I gotta find out who he is first. That's what I'm saying. You're not gonna what?
No.
Alright, you mind getting a wheelchair? Why are you being such an ass, dude? Huh? You called my partner.
It sounds so ridiculous.
We sound ridiculous. You know it's all on camera. I hope you watch this, man. You have kids, right? I assume that's what the tattoos on your hands are. They should be ashamed to be called your children, bro. You're a piss father. Do you need me to repeat that? You're a piss father. I'd rather die than have my daughter see me in the way you are. I'd rather be 6 foot underground than see this pathetic man. All the opportunity away. That's it. That's all you had to do. Walk away, bro. And here you are. You can't even make a decision for yourself for your own good, bro. You wouldn't be in any of this mess if you stood and walked away. Now you're just gonna make everything worse for yourself. You don't give me your name, which is an extra charge. You're refusing to walk, which is an extra charge. Here, I could give you a ticket, let you get sobered up at the hospital, and you can go on about your day. And now you're packing on more charges that'll keep you in jail for months. You gonna tell me your name or not?
Who?
You. Okay, I'm gonna find out. And then that's an extra, when I do find out, it's an extra charge.
No, I ain't saying shit.
Okay. Please, I would love to continue adding charges to your dumbass.
No,
All right. Step up.
get there from these condo buildings.
You're gonna get sued if you don't step up, bro.
Yeah, you can.
Dude, why are you acting like that, man?
Both of them down. You want them to do anything with it, or should we stand by for our part?
Yo, step out. Come on, man.
Let them make that call right now, because it's still a medical
You gotta
call,
understand
so
it,
we
man.
can confirm it.
Hey, listen. You need to step out the car.
Yeah, West Palm, notify FD and have them get there. Make that call from that point. Yeah, FD's here now. Their boat is pulling up now. They're just gonna confirm. And then they're gonna.
You're doing extra stuff, bro. It's not gonna stop you from going to jail, man. Right? Right? Is that so hard, bro?
Oh my God.
Don't be doing that now. You
No.
try to be nice to you.
No.
You're doing all this extra stuff, man. Put your feet on the thing so you're.
Oh. Not wrong.